In the twilight of the world, she stands so tall. With a heart made of gold, she answers the call. LanaCoin night, number 6 in her grace. The Lifegiver nurtures, creating a space. Fostering dreams like seeds in the ground. With every little heartbeat, love's revolution found. In her tender embrace, freedom begins to bloom. In a garden of hope, she chases away the gloom. Raise free children, raise a new world. With open hands, watch the magic unfurl. Love as the strongest resistance, it's true. In the arms of the Lifegiver, futures come through. She crafts with her heart a society bright. Through kindness and courage, she ignites the light. Building up the bonds that can never break. With love as her language, she makes no mistake. Against the dark shadow, she wields her truth. Teaching the children, empowering their youth. In a world full of fear, she stands like a flame. Fighting with passion, she won't be the same. Raise free children, raise a new world. With open hands, watch the magic unfurl. Love as the strongest resistance is true. In the arms of the Lifegiver, futures come through. She's the whisper of courage when the night grows long. With every small triumph, she sings them a song. Her spirit a beacon, shining ever bright. In the heart of the storm, she's the steady light. With every lesson, she plants a new dream. In a world that's forgotten how to truly be. Together they rise, with hope intertwined. Building a future, in love they find. For every child nurtured, a chance to take flight. Under her watchful wings, everything feels right. So here's to the knights who lift up and care. For the Lifegiver's magic we all must share. Bringing peace to the chaos, creating a song. In her arms we grow strong, in love we belong. Raise free children, raise a new world. With open hands, watch the magic unfurl. Love as the strongest resistance is true. In the arms of the Lifegiver, futures come through. So let's sing.